Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update encryption on macOS FileVault settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To update the encryption on macOS FileVault settings, start by clicking on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the System Preferences window, locate and click on Security and Privacy. Now, switch to the FileVault. If prompted, click the padlock icon in the lower left corner to make changes. You may need to enter your administrator password to proceed. Once unlocked, check if FileVault is currently turned on. If FileVault is off and you want to enable it, click Turn on FileVault. You will then see options for allowing your iCloud account to unlock your disk. Choose the option that suits your needs and click Continue. The system will start encrypting your disk, which may take some time. During this process, ensure your Mac stays plugged into power, if applicable. Once encryption is complete, you will see a confirmation message. If you want to update your recovery key, click Change Password. Follow the prompts to create a new recovery key and store it securely. After updating, double-check that your FileVault settings reflect the changes. To confirm everything is set, you can lock the padlock icon again. This secures your FileVault settings from further changes. Your Mac is now updated with the latest encryption settings. Remember to regularly check your FileVault status to ensure your data remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.